How much should you actually spend on a Jeep Wrangler seat cover? Because some people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, CAR Pass leather cover. First up is the CAR Pass Universal Fit Piping leather car seat cover. Priced at $58.91. This one caught my eye with its stylish black and red design. If you want a touch of luxury combined with practical protection, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The high-quality PU leather is not just for looks. It's wrinkle-resistant and easy to clean, keeping your seats protected from dust and damage. Plus, it's designed with reserved opening holes for airbag compatibility, which is crucial for safety. With over 6,200 reviews and a solid 4.2 star rating, it's clear that many Jeep owners have found it reliable. Now, some people complained about the fit not being perfect in every model. Here's the thing though, this covers a wide range of vehicles, so it may just require a little adjustment on your part. If you're willing to put in that effort, you'll get a great looking cover that protects your seats. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish look without sacrificing safety. Skip this one if you're looking for a custom fit, as it may not suit every Jeep perfectly. Overall, it's a great combo of style and function at a reasonable price. Now, if the fit issue of the CAR Pass bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Pedicon Waterproof Cover. Next, we have the Pedicon Waterproof Front Seat Car Cover at just $27.99. This caught my attention for its practical design and affordability. If you want complete protection for your front seats, this is a great option. What's really cool about this cover is its 100% waterproof material, made using hot pressing technology. That means no leaking water or needle holes to worry about, which is perfect for pet owners or anyone who eats in their car. Plus, it fits most standard vehicles easily, and the side flaps ensure the edges of your seats are protected too. With a 4.7 star rating from over 3,200 reviews, it's clearly a hit among buyers. However, some users noted that the fit can be a bit loose for certain car models. But here's the thing. If you're just looking for a cover to protect against spills and scratches, it still does the job well. This is perfect for you if you often travel with pets or kids and need something easy to clean. Skip this one if you want a snug fit, as it may not be the best for all vehicles. For the price, it's an excellent value for peace of mind. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a durable fit. Product number 3, Rough Country Neoprene Cover, TJ 1997 to 2002. Now let's talk about the Rough Country Neoprene seat covers for Jeep Wrangler TJ from 1997 to 2002, priced at $199.95. This one stands out for its custom fit and ultimate durability. If you want a cover that truly protects your seats and fits like a glove, this is worth considering. These neoprene covers are designed specifically for your Jeep, meaning they hug every curve and corner perfectly, which is great for preventing slipping. The 4-layer protection is impressive. It combines foam padding with water-resistant neoprene, keeping your seats safe from spills and wear. Many owners report that these covers feel like a factory upgrade, which is a big plus for aesthetics. With a 4.7 star rating from about 1,700 reviews, it's clear this product is trusted. Now, some reviews did mention that installation can be a bit tricky. But honestly, if you're someone who wants a tailored look and function, the effort is totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you have a 1997 to 2002 Jeep and care about both style and protection. Skip this one if you don't want to deal with a more complex installation process. For the quality you get, it's a solid investment. Now, if the installation complexity was a concern for you, check out the next option, which is much easier to deal with. Product number 4, Rough Country Neoprene Cover, TJ 2003 to 2006. Next is the Rough Country Neoprene Seat Covers for Jeep Wrangler TJ from 2003 to 2006, priced at $189.95. Similar to the last one, but tailored for a different range of models. If you want that same level of quality and fit, this is another strong pick. Like its predecessor, this cover offers a snug fit and 4-layer protection, keeping spills and scratches at bay. The breathable neoprene material enhances driving comfort while ensuring that your seats look fresh for years to come. With a 4.7-star rating from over 850 reviews, it's clear this is a well-loved option among Jeep owners. However, some users noted that the price point might be a bit high for a seat cover. Here's the thing, though. When you factor in the protection and custom fit you're getting, it's a trade-off for long-term value and durability. This is perfect for you if you own a 2003 to 2006 Jeep and want top-notch protection. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget, as it may stretch your wallet a bit. But for the quality, it's a worthwhile investment. Lastly, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, the next product might catch your interest. Product number 5. Hike September Pals Dog Car Seat Cover. Finally, we have the Hike September Pals Dog Car Seat Cover for $48.95. This caught my eye for its unique design and practicality. If you travel often with your furry friend, this is a must-have. This cover features a hard bottom and can hold up to 400 pounds, which is fantastic for larger dogs or multiple pets. It's 100% waterproof and designed to protect your back seat from fur, slobber, and scratches. The non-slip rubber bottom ensures your dog doesn't slide around during your drives, which is a big plus for safety. Plus, with a rating of 4.6 stars from over 800 reviews, it's proven to be effective. Some users have mentioned that the installation could be easier. Here's the thing, though. Once it's set up, it's incredibly effective at keeping your car clean. This is perfect for you if you travel with pets and want a reliable solution for protecting your vehicle. Skip this one if you're looking for a front seat cover, as this one is designed specifically for the back. For pet owners, it's an excellent value. In summary, we've explored 5 great options for Jeep Wrangler seat covers. From the stylish CAR Pass leather cover to the practical Pedicon waterproof cover and the tailored rough country options for different models, there's something for every need and budget. Lastly, the Hike September Pals cover offers fantastic protection for pet owners. Choose the one that suits your lifestyle and happy driving.